Yeah, this little demo is on mixing colorful darks. Now what I'll do is put darks behind my painting that give me a variety and interest. Those are the list of colors I'm going to use in my dark colors, available at my website, watercolors.com. And usually I start with the royal blue, which is my darkest blue. Royal blue, very beautiful color. But I can enhance that by putting other colors mixed in. Hooker's green with the royal blue gives me a real rich green, a nice dark value. Another dark is quinacridone violet mixed in with the royal blue. That gives me a rich violet color. A change in value and also a change in color. Another dark I like is ultramarine blue mixed in with royal blue. That gives me a darker blue beyond royal blue. And finally, burnt sienna and royal blue. That'll give me a dark brown and almost goes to black. Review: Hooker's green with royal blue, quinacridone violet with royal blue, ultramarine blue with royal, and burnt sienna with royal blue. Those are my mixing darks. And let's take a little close-up here and show you the variety of colors you can get by mixing colors with your darkest blue color. In this case I use royal blue. Here's an example of a painting with a dark background. I usually start with the light colors of the subject, and then I paint the complementary dark next to it. For example, in the orange here I might put the dark blue in behind that as a contrasting color. Over here around the yellow I may put in the purple or violet behind the yellow, contrasting color. The complementary colors here, brown, maybe put a little more brown or even red behind that one. Over here in the red I might put a darker purple or blue behind there. Working with the complementary colors in the background against the subject. Again, don't forget to sign up on my YouTube for future videos on tips and tidbits.